Introducing the best CBD oil ever by Nature's Candy. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Are you ready to experience the best CBD oil ever? Well, Nature's Candy is the company to bring to you their 100% organic CBD oil that works as nature intended. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to shut down anxiety and depression, ease chronic pain, and promote quality sleep, all without side effects? If the answer is yes, then Nature's Candy, with its line of 100% organic CBD products, is the brand for you. Why choose Nature's Candy? Because they know science. Their state-of-the-art, environmentally friendly purification technology produces a power-packed, THC-free CBD oil that's 100% organic, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It's the only uniquely formulated oil that contains an extensive range of cannabinoids, terpenes, and flavonoids, all working together to maximize your body's function. Nature's Candy Premium CBD comes in 3 flavors: lemon drop, mindful mint, and orange slice. Here are the supplement facts. There are 30 servings per container, and each serving is 1 dropper or 1 milliliter, which contains 9 calories, 0.9 grams of total fat, and 16.67 milligrams of CBD. Suggested use. First, shake well before using. Then, fill dropper and squirt under your tongue. Hold for at least 1 to 2 minutes, then swish around your mouth before swallowing. The longer you keep it in your mouth, the higher the absorption. Store at room temperature and keep away from light and humidity to preserve its freshness. A note of warning: please consult with your healthcare provider before using if you are nursing, pregnant, or taking medication. If you experience adverse reactions, please discontinue use and consult with your physician. And as always, keep out of reach of children. For these and other products sold by Nature's Candy, please visit naturescandyshop.com. I encourage you to stay focused, stay encouraged, stay positive, stay motivated, and stay hydrated. And always remember, you got this. If you like this video in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you think this channel is helpful to you or someone else, then please hit that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. This is Personal Fitness 3, where I want you to get motivated and stay motivated. I'm out.